Hi guys, it's Dominik from FDomes again. This time I wanted to talk about different options of maintaining the temperature inside of the dome. The first option that we see here is the insulation liner. The insulation liner comes in 3 different colors. This color presented here is the light gray color, and the other 2 are ecru and khaki. And as you can see, that insulation liner is designed especially to fit our framework. And if you are thinking in terms of an all year round dome, this is a must-have.
The second option is the wood burning stove that comes with a special chimney. The chimney is custom made to fit the shape of the dome, and it's safe to use in it. It's a great addition to the dome, both to maintain the temperature and to provide a cozy atmosphere.
The third option is the AC split unit. It allows you to cool your dome down during the hottest days, and it will also help you to heat your dome up when you're not using the wood burning stove. Unfortunately, we don't provide it, but we do recommend it. And last but not least is our solar fan. It's eco-friendly, it's solar powered, and it provides air circulation to the dome. Despite the other options, we still highly recommend to equip your dome with it.